So you had f of x equals -3 times x minus 2 squared plus 2. Okay? We listed out the transformations. So the -2 here, or the x minus 2, was my horizontal shift to the right 2. The negative told me it reflected across the x-axis. That's what makes it flip over. This 3 is your vertical stretch of 3. And then this 2 over here is a vertical shift up 2. Okay? So from the parent function, or from the graph of the parent function. Okay? So for my parent function, I've got a point at 0, 0, -1, -1, and 1, 1. Okay, I'm also going to put 2, 4 on there, just because. All right. So here's my parent function. Then with your points, we just did the math of what we wrote down. Okay? So if I take the vertex right here. So we said the first thing it did is it went to the right 2. So this point right here went to the right 2. Okay? Then we said it flipped over. Okay? So this one moved over. This one moved over. This one moved over. That one moved over. That one moved over. Okay? That's this one. After that, it reflected and opened down. Okay? So, if I'm going to flip all of my dots, that means these two end up here, and these two end up down here. After they reflected, how much more did they stretch out? 3. So, it ends up here and here, and then my other two aren't going to fit on there. Okay? So there's that one. That's this. Then what? Shift it up. So then, all of those points, so I got this one too. So that one is there. All of those points go up 2. Okay, so when it goes up 2, that puts this point at 2, 2. This point at 1, -1. And this point at 3, -1. So that's your graph. Oh, move it up. Does that make sense? Oh my God, I taught you that 15 times last year.